No matter how busy you are, napaka-importante na nag-exercise tayo, gumagalaw tayo. For today's video, kailangan lang natin ng 10 minutes. Pwede nyo gawin araw-araw kahit nasa bahay lang.
3, 2, 1. Work.
First exercise natin ang ating high knees. For a modified version, you can skip the jumping. Importante, gumagalaw kayo. Kung ano lang muna yung kaya ninyo. 30 seconds.
Halfway.
You can do it. 10 minutes na makapagbabago ng inyong lifestyle. You can do it.
3, 2, 1.
10
Rest.
seconds rest. Inhale, exhale. Next natin ang ating jumping jacks. Of course, for
3,
modified
2,
version,
1.
just step side to side.
Work.
Let's go. Dali ng bigat ng inyong paa. Huwag pipigilan ng inyong hininga. Just inhale, exhale. Kailangan ng muscles natin ng oxygen.
Halfway.
Yung iba nahihilo dahil pinipigilan nila yung kanilang paghinga.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
And next natin ang ating bodyweight squats or air squats. Imagine niyo lang na may upuan
3,
dito sa inyong
2,
likuran.
1.
At kung nahihirapan pa rin kayo
Work.
mag-squats, maglagay lang kayo ng upuan sa likod. And just sit down, sit up and down. Exhale when you go up.
Halfway.
Inhale when you go down. Thirty seconds.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
30 seconds and then jumping jacks to
3,
heel touches.
1. Work.
Let's go. 30 seconds. You can do it.
Halfway. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Next natin, ang ating skipping
3,
knee to elbow.
2, 1. Work.
For modified version, you can always skip the jumping. 30 seconds.
Halfway. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Rest for 10 seconds. Inhale, exhale.
3,
Next natin,
2,
ating
1.
side
Work.
lunges. And then go up. 30 seconds. Each leg. Inhale, exhale.
Halfway.
Exhale when you go up. Inhale when you go down.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Rest for 10 seconds. And we're going to do 30 seconds on
3,
the other leg.
2, 1. Work.
Let's go. Go up. Inhale, exhale.
Halfway.
Di bali mabagal. Importante, gumagalaw kayo at your own pace.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
And let's increase our heart rate. Next natin, ang ating floor touches.
3,
Modified
2,
version.
1.
Just step side to
Work.
side and touch the floor. Let's go.
Halfway.
Last 5 minutes. You can do it. 10 minutes a
3,
day.
2,
It makes a
1.
very big difference. Next exercise natin. Knee to elbow.
3,
And then
2, 1.
toe touch.
Work.
Okay lang kung di nyo pa maabot ang yung toes. Kung ano lang muna yung kaya ninyo. Exhale when you reach your
Halfway.
knees and your toes.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Inhale, exhale.
3, 2,
Other
1.
side.
Work.
Knee to elbow. Toe reach. Lagi engage ang inyong core. I-vacuum. Or higupin ang inyong tiyan paloob. Makakatulong to
Halfway.
para sa ating balance at mas lalong ma-engage ang ating muscles na wino-work. At the same time, we're also working on our abs
3, 2, 1. Rest.
and rest. Next natin, ating skater.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Let's go. Again, for modified version, just step side to side and go down. Hindi nyo kailangan sumabay sa akin.
Halfway.
Do it at your own pace. Importante, gumagalaw kayo. You can do it.
3, 2, 1.
We're almost
Rest.
done. Stay with me. Next
3,
natin,
2,
reverse
1.
lunges,
Work.
side twist. Inhale, exhale. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang paghinga. Huwag pipigilin ang hinanga para hindi kayo mahilo.
Halfway.
Last 2 minutes.
3,
4 exercises.
1. Rest. Three, 2, 1.
Squats.
Work.
2 side leg lift. You can do it. Kung may problema kayo sa balance, then you can do regular squats. If mahirap pa rin po sa
Halfway.
inyo, then maglagay kayo ng upuan. Just sit down. Just go up and down.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
10 seconds rest.
3, 2, 1.
Next
Work.
natin, ang ating front lunges. Last 2 exercises. You can do it.
Halfway.
We're almost done.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Last one. Finish strong. You can do it.
3,
Last one.
2,
Ang
1.
ating air
Work.
lunges. 30 seconds. You can do it. Para sa ating arms, sa ating abs. You can do it. Last 15 seconds.
Halfway.
Imagine niyo lang, asawa niyong babaero.
3, 2, 1.
And we're done. Woo! Thank you so much for joining me. Kung nabitin ka, huwag ka mag-alala. Pwede to ulitin ng 2, 3 rounds. Depende sa inyong fitness level. I'm Coach Shelby. I'll see you in my next workout.